Okay, the next step, I'm going to show you how to do the tables. We start from our HAD, which is we set up 35 meters. Now we're going to offset our HAD by 2 meters. So offset that by 2 because we need 7 rows in the table. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then after that, we just draw a vertical line. You decide the wideness of your table. And then after that, we need to put the test here. The test size will be 0.35. And the first row is our HAD equals 35 meters. And I'm going to move that one down to here. And then after that, I can copy my HAD. I can copy this one. Suppose that's our base to here, to here. So just copy the text to each row. The second row will be our fill. Next one, cut. And the next one, formation level. And that one is ground level. Inward level. Then the next one will be our distance or change. You can write distance or you can write change. And the last one will be the grade of our pipe. We write down grade. Okay, now we have our table here. To make tidy, I might just trim off these ones I don't need. Yeah. And now we're going to put some data in this one. Oh, we shouldn't trim that one. We just leave that one by now because I need to do some dimensions. First, we look at distance, which means from the our outline, we set out 0. So I'll do a test here. I do a test box here. The distance is 0.00. The size will be 0.35 as well. And I need to rotate it by here. And I need to rotate it by 90 degrees. Yeah. And then move to the close to my line. So will be this line here. Because that's the distance from our inward level. Oh, sorry, from the inward level of our outline. Yeah, we start the distance start from the inward level of our pipe. Then I copy this one, use that column to here, and I want some text here as well, just keep going up. And then after that, I just copy all those tests. Copy. Not in the grade, sorry. We'll do that again. So I need to copy all those tests to my tree, that edge of my tree. And the next one will be the toe of our fill, which is the blue one here. And the next one will be the center of our tree. And then after that, we need this side, we have the 5-meter intervals. So we need one number on that side as well. And then after that, we have the, what's that? I think that will be, the platform. And then you can put here, or you can put that side, both okay. So I'll put here for the other edge of my tree and 5-meter intervals. Yes, that's right. And then the other side of my platform. And then 5-meter interval again. And then that will be the top of my cut. After that, 5-meter interval again, 5-meter again, 5-meter, and inward level of my pipe. For the last 5-meter, you can have it or don't have it. It's both okay. It doesn't matter. Or maybe you can do a line at the edge of your manhole. It doesn't matter. Or maybe the tree, maybe the center of this tree. You need it as well. So after that, I can trim that side off, which I don't need this. No, trim, just trim that side off. Yeah. And then I'm going to put the numbers in this table. First, I need to know the distance. I go to my dimensions. First, I want to find the distance from the edge of my tree to the outlet of my pipe. So that's 2.84. And then I need dimension for that one as well, from here to here. Next one will be from here to center line of the tree. Oh, it's not there. From here to the center line of the tree. And then after that will be 5-meter intervals. First, no. Oh, that's center of the tree. So something wrong here. Which deadline? Oh yeah, that is wrong. I just need to delete that one. Yeah. So the center line of tree. We go to next one. So maybe we'll use the linear. Well, from here to my 10-meter interval should be 10 this number. 5-meter interval. And then to here. Yeah. So you just keep going until you come down to the other side of your pipe or the other 5-meter interval. So when you have this number, what you do, that's the distance. So when you change the number inside here, that will be 2.84. And this one will be 4.06. 4.06. Yeah. So just keep going until its end, change the distance. And for the inward level, the inward level means the bottom of your pipe. So what we do, we find dimension from the inward level, which is here, to our HAD, which is 9.88. So what's the inward level here? Shall we use 9.88 plus 35? Or what we should do? Because we use distorted order, so we need that number divided by 2, which give me 4.94. Is it 4.94? Yes. So then I add my 4.94 to 35, give me 39.94. That's the actual inward level of the pipe, which is 39.94. So how I get it? I do the dimension from the bottom, which inward level of my pipe, to my datum, to my HAD here. Give me my number 9.88 because it's distorted scale. I need to divide that by 2, which give me 4.94 plus 35, which give me 39.94. And then if I want to find the inward level from here to here, that's the same. It's 10.7, which means 5.3, 5.3, yes, 5.35 plus 35. So the inward level here will be 40.35, which is 40.35. Yeah, all you need to do is just find the inward level of each one, put into inward level here. And then the ground level. We can do the same thing. For ground level, we can just measure the distance from here to here, and then give me 5.35 divided by 2. Sorry, not that one. So what I'll do, I use the linear. The one way I can use the ground level to my HAD to here, which is 29.95 divided by 2 will be, what's that one? 21.95 divided by 2. 21.95 divided by 2, which give me 10.97. So I round it to 10.98 plus 35, give me 45.98. So my ground level here will be 45.98. Yeah. Another way I can do it is I change my dimension scale. Sorry, dimension scale. So what happened is, because we use distorted scale, so we can, if we go here, we look at, where is it? Scale factor. We change to 0.5. Now you can see all this number being changed. Yeah. So what I'll do, I do another linear use. Let's say if I want to find the ground level there, I just check ground level from here to here, which is 10 meters. What I'll do, I use 10 plus 35, which give me 45 for my ground level here, is it? So I turn to 45. By doing that, you do need to divide the vertical by 2, but the thing is, your horizontal will change to half as well. So if you do that way, after you change the vertical, you need to change your dimension scale and your scale factor to 1 again. Yeah, that's how you find your ground level. So you need to change all these rows as well. And the formation level, which means your platform level. What you need to do is you need to dimension from here to your HAD, which is 17. If you use 17 divided by 2, or you use the other way, which give me 88.5. 8.5 plus 35 will be 43.5. If you check your notes, what's the platform level is 43.5, which is right. So we change which one use? We change that level to 43.5. Because we only need formation level for this point here and maybe the edge of your tree. Formation level will be the same. So we can copy that one. First, we need to delete. We do need formation level here because there's no platform here. There's no platform here. We just delete all of them. We need formation level here, but we'll put on later on because all the formation level will be the same, 43.5. Yeah, let's just delete them all. So I need to copy my formation level, copy that one. I need formation level here and on my center line, on the edge of my tree and also on the 10-meter interlines and the other edge of my platform. That's it. Only those places we need the formation level because the platform is just going from here to here. And then the next we need to do the cut. Where's our cut? Our cut is we have ground level here. This part will be our cut, is it? So what kind of information about we have on our cut? So maybe for the cut here, we don't have any cut here. We just delete it. We don't have any cut here. Don't have any cut here. This one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. No any cut here. Yes, there a little bit cut here, so we need to keep that one. And definitely will be cut here, and that cut back to 0. So I leave that one here. I leave that one, the end of cut. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I need to find the dimension of the cut. As I said, I need a cut. There's no cut here. That will be starting. Our cut will start from here, right? So that will be our cut, is it? Only 0.03, which divided by 2, 0.03 divided by 2 give us 0.015. So that will be 0.02. And then I need to find the cut around here as well, do I? So go up to my ground level, which is here. So our card will be 2.16. 2.16 divided by 2 will be 1.08. So our card here will be 1.08. 1.08. Yes. And I also need to know the card here. Draw a linear, and the card will start from here to here, which is 1.88, give me 0.94. Where is it? Yeah. So the card on this line will be 0.94. 0.94. And the card, that will be the end of card will be 0.00. That's our card. For the fill, we need to do the same because there's no fill here. The fill start from no fill here. So the fill will start from the top of our fill, which is here, and end up here, is it? So what I do, for those when there's no, that's start our fill, and no fill here, no fill here, no fill here, no, no, no. I just delete all those. Yeah. So that will be our fill. Start from 0, 0. What I'll do, I might need to do a line here as well. That will be our equal cut and fill. So then we know where's cut start from, where's the fill start from. So we know, then we need to change everything to that side. We need to move everything to the other side. Yeah, so you need to put all these numbers as well. And I know that I copy that one. The other side. Yeah. So I know that will be 0.00 because that's the central cut and fill, equal cut and fill. Okay. So no kind of, maybe don't need to write anything here. So what I will do is I change all those numbers. Do the same thing as you did on card. So that's 0.00. And then I need to find what's the fill here. So that is 0.51. 0.51 divided by 2. 0.255, so will be 0.26. 0.26, I'm going to put in here. Sorry, do that again. 0.26, yeah. And for that one, the same you need to do on that side. So that will be start from here to here. Will be the same, 0.26 will be the same. So you need to change that one. Yeah, so you can do the rest of your fill as well. Now you got the top part of your table ready. And for the grade, what you need to do is you need to trim all those lines off because your grade is your pipe grid start from your outlet to your manhole. So you need to put your grid here. And then your grid should be two form, one in percentage, one in ratio. That's all about for the table here.